Well, that weekend's come back round again. So we popped out this morning and we bought a few bags of composting. Thanks to people making donations to this channel, as did Kevin Jarman yesterday. So thank you very much for that, Kevin, it's really appreciated. I also picked up a few more boxes of fertiliser as well. And that's going to keep us going right through autumn. Especially now we're starting this autumn growing experiment in greenhouse. And we were contemplating using these type of containers and just drilling holes in the bottom, making rows of them on that bench in greenhouse. But I've just realised how many of these homemade planters that have actually been emptied now due to constant harvesting. So I think to save a little bit of money, we might as well use the ones that we've already got, because they're a good size. They're 2 feet by 12 inches by 12 inches. So basically they're a 60 litre capacity, which is more than enough for what we're going to be doing, because we're doing very shallow rooted plants. So obviously today I now need to spend quite a while repairing some of these so we can get them in that greenhouse, get that compost in, and then start sowing some seeds ready for us autumn plantings. So we've been getting busy repairing these boxes, and the problem we had with them is the weight of the soil were pushing off these end strips. So simple fix, just cut a piece of wood, screwed it all the way across, and now they can't go anywhere. So we've got 3 done so far, but I think I'm going to need about 8, so let's crack on. So we've got half of those boxes done now. They've all been reinforced, so they're going to be perfect for these autumn plantings. And we'll have 4 on this bench, and then I'm going to put 4 on that bench as well. So we've got 8 containers to work with. So basically 8 different varieties of things we can put in here and try and grow. Well, that's one way to spend your Saturday. And it's a job well worth doing, because we're getting to the point now where we're fully set up. Thanks to the generosity of people that follow this channel as well, we're all set up with an additional 6 bags of compost and a few boxes of fertiliser. What we need to do now is finish off the rest of these planters, and we can get them filled, and then we'll start sowing as autumn seeds. And some of them will just start off in those little packs and then transfer them when the seedlings are big enough. And I think that the rest of this job is probably a job for tomorrow now, because it's getting quite humid in this greenhouse. So I'm pretty sure that there's a storm on the way. So we'll be back in here tomorrow and we'll carry on with this project, and we'll decide what plants we're going to be planting as well, because obviously you can't just plant anything, it's got to be certain varieties of plants. So if you want to see what we pick to go in all these containers for this new autumn project, then please just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you next time. You all take care. Thank you very much for watching.